What's going on, boaters? It's Dylan with MarineMax Dallas right here in Lewisville, Texas. We've got a great trade-in today, 2023 Cobalt R33. Beautiful boat. It's in great shape. Let's check it out. So here we are inside the Cobalt R33. A couple of my favorite features right away are these adjustable backrests here on the sun pad. We've actually got a little dive door over here, pretty easy access to get in and out of the water. Really cool entertainment area, stovetop. Got your fridge, very spacious layout here, very open, tons of room. I'm 6'4", I've got plenty of headspace up here. Both of your captain, co-captain chairs are going to be love seats, so you can fit 2 people on them. Sound system's great in here. We do have the joystick, powered by the VOLVO Pentas, twin Garmins, very nice fancy steering wheel. Come to the bow, very open, got armrests. We've got a table option. We've got a windlass, and underneath each side of the helms here, we've actually got some storage and hangouts. So we'll check that out. All right, so here on the starboard side of the boat, we've got a cool little hidden access. Nice little hangout in there. Get out of the sun, relax for a little bit. Then on the port side, we've got your traditional head with a step down, with the sink. Really cool boat here, perfectly laid out. It's right here in Lewisville. There's a lot more features in this boat that I couldn't fit in this video, but come see us, come check it out in person right here at MarineMax Dallas. Again, this is Dylan. We look forward to seeing you.